of the leg from the knee joint space. By the way, if you start at the eyes of the knee and just rub your fingers sideways, you'll be right in that groove that's the knee joint space, and you can really feel it if you stroke along it this way and not be confused about where it is. So 16 ton from here to here. That's 4. 3 should be around in here somewhere. And what I do is come down this way. I come this way, and my finger drops in the space between the tibialis anterior, the peroneus longus, and in between the two is extensor hallucis longus. And there's a nice little divot right there. And then if I were to mark that, which I'm not going to do right now, but if I were to mark that, then I could check it with my stretchy ruler, right? That would be the thing to do. And then once you check it with the stretchy ruler, make sure it's 3 ton. I could keep my fingers right here. I could put the 16 over here, and you put the 0 over the tip of my, yeah. So 3 ton, I'm pretty close there. Drop that down just a little. There, a little higher now, just a little, not too much. Yeah, that's good. So I'm pretty close to 3 ton there, and I feel a nice hole right there, and it's a little bit wider from the shin than the books tell you, because if you go too close to the shin right here, you hit a cutaneous nerve that's just right under the skin. The moment you tap that needle in, they go, ow! And it's not good to be right on that nerve, and I don't think the point's there anyway. The rest of these are about about a finger width away from the sharp edge of the tibia. And what I want to do, I can either go through this whole process again and find 6 and 9 ton down, but instead what I can do is, here's my point, I can see where my hand fits between the two, and it's right about there. I'm going to put my thumb here as a marker of what level I want to be, and I'm going to start right there, and I'm going to go, all right, I should find stomach 37 in this area, and I'm still looking for that divot. Could be a little up, could be a little tiny bit down, and I think it's right there, but it's a little bit, yeah, there it goes. It's starting to open up. So sometimes a point is a little bit congested, a little bit tight, and you don't feel a nice hole there. But then you go to rubbing around a little bit, and it opens up right under your finger. You feel like that cave. The word is a cave. That means acupuncture point. All right, and then so that's my stomach 37. And then from there, I'm going to go down that same distance and look for stomach 39 and rub around until I feel, there it is, it's opening up right there. So I got my 3 stomach points right here. And then I can check that with a stretchy ruler and see if it's 3, 6, and 9 ton down from the knee. Put that right on the peak and put that in the knee joint space. And 3, 6, and 9. So I'm a little bit low on this one, and but I feel it more there. I would probably needle it more there.
Yeah.
But for testing purposes, you want to get as close to the book measurement as you can. And then once you found those 3, then stomach 38 is 1 ton up from there, and that should be half the leg for stomach 38 and stomach 40. So stomach 38 is 1 finger width away from the shin. Stomach 40 is 2 fingers away from the shin, roughly. But you usually feel a nice hole at stomach 40 there. And those are points that people have a lot of trouble with. I encourage you to spend a lot of